Hello everyone. Today I just want to talk about what's on my Instagram. Okay guys, so this is my Instagram, and this is kind of a personal vlog that I'm doing today because this is a way for me to thank you for your support and for subscribing to my channel. And I do want all of you to get to know me a little better, and I think, well, this is how I can show you a little something about myself. Yeah. So okay, my Instagram is actually the pictures here are mostly pictures of my son, my family, and I do enjoy taking pictures of food as well, such as this. Yeah, so just to let you know, I did not cook this. My cousin's wife cooked this for me. Yeah, but I love taking pictures of food. This picture was just last Chinese New Year, last January 24. So I went to Singapore. This is my partner. Yeah, and this is his sister, sorry. And then my son's grandparents, my son's uncle on the other side. So the father's side, yeah. So you see, my partner is actually in Singapore. He's currently working in Singapore. So sometimes I do go there, sometimes he comes here. Yeah, because currently right now I decided not to have a full-time job so I can take care of our son. So moving on. Actually, most of the pictures here are pictures of our son. Yeah. So okay, so this is super nice. I did this when I think I did this last year on my birthday. I would usually not have nails like that because it's really hard to actually pick stuff up. This is a fake nail, by the way. Yeah, it's quite long. Only because it was my birthday in a few days. That's why I had that done. Yeah, but it's super nice. It's super duper. I really like it. It's just that I don't know how to maintain it. Okay. Yep. Okay, a little something that I think I haven't mentioned yet. My son is actually half Chinese. His dad is Chinese, Singaporean Chinese, and I'm Filipino, so he's half Chinese. Yeah, I think he looks a bit Chinese. Yeah, a bit. Food. I super love his feet. Oh, okay. So, guys, this is my son's first birthday. So we have a minion theme here. My son and his dad, they share the same birthday, and we did it in like this. It's kind of a restaurant that has a live band in where we are in Philippines. Yeah. It was super fun. I was still super skinny. This was just last year, but I gained a lot of weight after that. This is my niece. Okay. I took this picture. They look so alike. My goodness. Okay, I super love this. This was given to me by my brother. The cake was he did not bake it, but he bought it for me. So, yeah. I love this picture of us. My son looks so grumpy. It's just a little blur, but I still love it. Ah! Okay. Okay, guys, this is the profile picture that I'm actually using on my channel. Yeah. This is a fake eyelash. I just had this done. Okay, this is my sister. She's older than me. When my baby was 3 months old, I have to go back to Singapore because I was just on maternity leave. I was still working in Singapore. I was actually in Singapore from 1st to 7th month of my pregnancy. I was there. I went back to Philippines so that I can deliver my baby here in Philippines, because of course it is so much cheaper here to deliver a baby. So I was just on maternity leave. I have to leave my child so that I can resign properly when I go back to Singapore. We were actually still weighing whether I'm going to stay there and just bring my baby there, but it's super duper expensive to have a kid there. Really super duper expensive. So both of us, my partner and I, decided to actually have this setup. Me staying here taking care of my kid while he's working there, and we go there sometimes, he comes here sometimes. Most of the time it's like that. Oh gosh.
What are you laughing at, baby? Are you laughing?
Oh, this is my mom, so my son's grandma. Look how grumpy he is here. Wow, super grumpy baby. I think he was on his 8th month here. Super cute.
You're standing up on your own. Huh?
He was just a few months here, but he was already standing up. Super cute. Okay, so this is his cousin. Her name is Charlie. It's my niece, my brother's daughter. Yeah, my son is just a few months older than her. So as you can see, I'm very obsessed with my son. I super duper love taking pictures of him. I think he's the cutest baby ever. I think all moms see their children that way. Oh, we were in Singapore here. This was last year. He was 9 months. I brought him to Singapore. Yeah, because his dad misses him. Oh, I think this is the part.
What?
Okay, this anklet was given to my son by his grandma. My partner's mom gave it to him. It's a sign of prosperity. They asked me not to take it out or to remove it until he reaches 1 year old. It's like a Chinese something tradition. I don't know. I'm not Chinese, but I did it anyways. I did not remove that anklet when he reached 1. Yeah. So This is my son's grandparents, my partner's mom and dad. Yeah. Aw, they look so alike. So unfair, right? This is actually my godmother. The one carrying, the one holding my baby is my godmother. Yeah. Look how chubby my baby is here. So cute. Okay guys, I can go on forever showing you my son's baby pictures because I am so obsessed with him. So, I just want to let you know, Instagram, I'm sure you already know this, Instagram can be used for, how to say this, online selling as well. They have a business page. I don't use it, but there is a business page on Instagram that you can actually post whatever that you want to sell. It can be pre-loved items or new items as well. I actually use Carousel for that, which I will vlog some other time, yeah? So, I am not, as you can see on my Instagram pictures, I am not a very adventurous person who would like hike or dive or things like that or do adventurous stuff, but I do love going out with friends and mostly family. I'm a homebody, even when I was still single, and I would do go out with my friends, but right now all my friends are also married, so they actually do go out and travel with their family as well. Yeah. When we were still single, yes, we went out. We went out a lot when we were still single, but now it's a different time already. Yes, so oh, he was still so chubby here in this picture. I think this was his first Christmas. His first Christmas, I wasn't around. I was still in Singapore working. So cute. Okay, I can go on forever showing you my son's picture here, but of course I don't want to bore you with all this. Guys, my channel doesn't have a niche, so sometimes I would show you personal vlogs such as this, and for those people who are more interested on freelance opportunities or online jobs, I do have a playlist. It's recommendations. I would put it on my 2 cents. That's the title. It's on my playlist. I do vlog about skincare as well, and just check out my playlist because I do story time as well, yeah? So I hope you like this video. I know this is not so short, but I do hope that you got to know a little bit something about me, yeah? So if you like more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel, do leave a comment below, and again, I would like to thank all of you for supporting me. I am new at this and I appreciate all your support, yeah? So bye for now and hope to see you next Friday. Bye!